Nail bestie, just take 10 minutes for yourself to watch this nail video where we are going to be sculpting 3D acrylic flowers using the soft white nail mate powder, which is absolutely stunning to work with. I'm going to be using the premium adhesive monomer to sculpt the flowers and also the number 5 detailer brush. This brush is amazing for precision. It gives me the best control over the product. And as you will see, the flowers are super tiny, and this brush means that I will have no trouble sculpting those small petals. So yeah, if you want to chill, relax, and just unwind, keep on watching. Let's chill. Let's talk nails. So I'm going to start off. I've already sculpted this nail set. If you want to see the video where I actually created the nails, I'm going to link it on the screen above in the top right, and you can click that and watch the tutorial where I create the glitter acrylic nail design. But now we are on to the 3D elements of this nail set, and I'm super excited to be sharing it with you guys. So this is actually a little bit more of a different video for me as well. Those of you that follow me and have for a while know that I don't usually, I guess, do voiceovers like this on that more relaxing, chilled side. But you know what? I'm feeling calm. I'm feeling the energy. I'm feeling super positive and relaxed. And I just felt like really taking a deep breath, doing this voiceover, and hopefully bringing a sense of calmness to you as well. If you need it, just take this video as a nice big hug to the soul, and we can just concentrate on getting these nails adorned with flowers because it is time for spring to bloom. So, talking about good energy, guys, at the moment, I really feel like the universe is just exuding. I hope that's the right word. Like, shining really good energy out on us all, especially around where I am at the minute. I'm feeling such positive vibe, such good mood, and just all round growth and positivity, whether that is in business, mindset, well being. Growth comes in all different shapes and sizes. So, whatever that means for you, hopefully the positive energy can radiate round to you as well. Whether you are feeling a little bit down or you are feeling great but just want a little bit of extra something, yeah, I just wanted this to be that. So, hopefully, we are all going to be in the same good energy field and using it to our advantage. So to sculpt these flowers, I'm using the soft white acrylic because I wanted that porcelain effect. I didn't want them to be too harsh with using the blizzard white, so that is why I selected this colour, because they are almost actually invisible, I guess you could say. Like, they are not super standing out, and that is what I loved about them. If you were just seeing the nails from a distance, they wouldn't really catch your eye to that degree, and I just loved that for them. I felt like they were just super pretty, really beautiful, and very natural looking. So this was the first one that I did, this thumbnail. We did it live on TikTok, and I asked everybody, should I do more? I was always going to do the next ring finger, but we all decided as a group to do every single nail with these 3D flowers on. So I went ahead with my fluid gel. We are coming in obviously to attach those crystals where the gel was, curing that in the light, and then we can start focusing on the flowers. So I've been working on a lot of projects behind the scenes, you guys. With the Glitter Planet brand, we are launching so many new products for summer, and I'm so excited to share each and every one of them with you. I can't share too much just at the minute, but there are going to be 2 brand new gel polish collections and 1 acrylic collection for summer. and they are just absolutely beautiful. You guys know I put everything in to each collection launch. Every product that we produce is just amazing. So I hope you are just as excited as I am to learn that there are new things dropping for summer 2025. So, yeah, I'm really excited to share that and I cannot wait for them to drop. Hopefully, you will be as obsessed as I am. Okay, back to the flowers. I wanted to give you some top tips on how to get the best 3D flowers, what can help you stay consistent with creating them, and how to really slay the application of the product. So, first up, you want to make sure that you have an acrylic powder that is really, really easy to work with. That is lovely at self leveling, amazing release from the brush, but also at the bead formation. So once you pick up your bead, you will notice that it just forms into a ball. This is really going to help with that petal formation. You also want to make sure that you have an amazing 3D brush. So you want one that comes to a nice slim point, because as you can see here, we are just getting our point in there and opening up the bead, which is forming the petals. This is the same process that you do with every single petal. So having a brush that can accommodate that action and that can really make sure that it is serving well whilst you do these petals is super, super important. Okay guys, so I'm going to let you carry on watching the video. I'm just going to pop a little bit of music in the background and you can watch the entire process of me finishing up the 3D flowers for this set. I hope you guys enjoy and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and please, if you can, just take the time to give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!